is Changing Lives here. Welcome to the second annual FinLit Youth Conference packed out event. This conference is for youth ages 13 to 18 and their parents. We're excited because we have amazing workshops. Know the cost to be the boss, from rent to riches, a class on real estate. We have I Make Money, where you learn how to leverage AI to create graphic designs. There's so many more workshops happening. Here's what it looks like.
My name is Esther and I attended FinLit today. One of the important things I learned today was when Dr. Lewis was speaking, she talked about like business and how to make money. But one thing that really stuck with me is when she started talking about how be unapologetically you, like go for what you want to go for and then apologize later.